What if streaming felt more immersive, more intelligent, more cinematic? This is Helios, a next gen movie streaming platform designed with AI driven recommendations, mood based browsing, and premium dark cinematic experience. I am using desktop frame around its radius and will change its color to black. Let's start with a distraction free navigation designed for effortless exploration. A smart search keeps every title within reach. The AI Picks button delivers personalized recommendations instantly. While the Profile Hub keep your watch list and history seamlessly organized. All anchored by the bold Helios identity crafted for a premium streaming experience. Now we'll add our first poster to the design. Now I'll take a rectangle, go to linear, add 4 gradient points of black color. First will be 100%, second will be 80% and other two will be 0%. And add it to the poster. This gradient creates a depth for the poster. Now we'll add the title of the poster and we'll also add one more gradient to the left side. Next I'll add series detail over the gradient, keeping the hierarchy clear and readable. Finally, I placed the primary call to action button below the information, making it easy for users to start watching instantly. Now, moving into the second section of the design, continue watching. This section allows user to quickly resume the content they were previously watching without any friction. Each card includes a progress indicator and essential details, making the experience smooth and user focused. A third section highlights what's popular right now with the trending now category. This section showcases the most watched and talk about content on Helios, helping users quickly discover what's currently in demand. The clean poster layout keeps the focus on visuals while maintaining a modern and immersive browsing experience. The fourth section features newly released content. This area highlights the latest addition to the platform, keeping users updated with fresh movies and series. The layout remains clean and poster focused, ensuring new content stands out immediately. The fifth section introduces AI picks for you. This feature delivers personalized recommendations based on user behavior and viewing patterns. It helps users discover content tailored specifically to their interests, creating a smart and more engaging streaming experience. Next, we introduce the Browse by Mode section. Here, users can explore different genres and category based on how they feel, from dark drama to action, sci-fi, and weekend binge content. This approach makes discovery more initiative and engaging, allowing users to quickly find content that matches their current mood. Finally, we introduce the Watch with Friends feature. This section allows users to stream content together in real time through a synchronized watch party experience. Viewers can live chat, react with emojis, and enjoy perfectly synced playback, no matter where they are. It transforms streaming from a solo activity into a shared cinematic experience. To complete the design, we finalize the website with a structured footer section. This includes an email subscription field, social media links, and quick access to the platform's main navigation. Finally, we add the rights reserve line to give the website a polished and complete product feel. So that's the complete Helios OTT design. If you found this helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design projects like this. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what should I design next. Thanks for watching.